A breakup, a broken leg, and one terrible decision. And suddenly, a 27-year-old cowboy is facing 20 years in prison. But in the courtroom, something unexpected happens. Was this justice or a lucky escape? Let's break down the moment everything changed.
Court is calling 2025 CR 010259 State versus Trent Deckard.
Yes.
Can I have parties announced?
Will Brooks or defendant, Mr. Deckard, Judge.
And are you Mr. Deckard? Did you review the application for deferred adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, you received all discovery. Did you review it with your client?
Yes and yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Deckard, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Judge.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented? Mr. Deckard, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
You're charged with assaulting a peace officer or judge. That's a second-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state will call in the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, Your
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Honor. Yes, he has, Judge.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Judge.
Mr. Deckard, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea, punishments be assessed at a $1,000 fine. The state recommends deferred adjudication. This will run concurrent with 2025 CC 008849. There's to be restitution, if any, to the complainant. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense, is that the plea?
Yes, it is, Judge.
State, is that the plea? Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your
Counsel, are there any such motions?
Honor. No motions, Judge.
Outside the agreement, the state is asking that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 4 years. There be 150 hours of community service restitution and the MRT. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations? Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No conflict.
State, any evidence?
No objections to states one or attachments, Judge.
All right. And state, have you had a chance to speak with the complainant? All right, state, you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses? The state will call in the right to remain silent.
Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same.
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, no problem. I'm reviewing the documents.
Okay.
All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
We'd waive a PSI interview, Judge.
All right, anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Judge, the only thing that I would request is in respect to the TAP evaluation and in the interest of saving resources, he went on probation for the misdemeanor in July,
Mhm.
and they completed a TAP, I think, a month ago or so.
Mhm.
So I would just ask that that TAP be considered rather than having him redo a TAP.
All right, Ms. Abrams, are you able to consider that as a TAP evaluation? I'm sorry? Yes.
About a month ago.
Yes,
Okay. All right, so what happened on this night?
It was just a bad night. Car was breaking down. Recently went through a breakup with the carry on there. And, I just went over there and caused a ruckus, trying to get a little help, but she ended up calling the cops on me. One thing led to another. Thought I could run, couldn't. I just had an injury. I broke my leg a couple weeks before riding. I participate in rodeo.
All right, how old are you?
I'm 27.
Isn't it a little bit too old to, when somebody breaks up with you, everything goes in a handbasket?
Everything was falling apart within a week or two of that. So it just wasn't a good night, and don't plan on ever having another bad night again.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, I need a restitution date in 30 days, please.
you can do 2 for 16.
All right, we're going to come back on December 16th to determine if there's any restitution that is owed to the complainant. 4 years deferred adjudication, regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs, $1,000 fine probated. This is run concurrent with 2025 CC 008849. Restitution, if any, to the complainant. Follow TAP recommendations that have been completed under 2025 CC 008849. Do you have any children?
No.
And your job is rodeo?
No, ma'am. I work full-time construction.
All right, proof of employment within 45 days, no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. The MRT. And there's to be no contact with the Vantage at Fair Oaks Apartment. And there's to be field visits 1 time per month for 3 months. Probation, is there anything else? Is there anything else you need from the court in order to be successful?
No.
Did you review the trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargaining agreement, because I followed your plea bargaining agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you, and be careful in the rodeo.
Yes, ma'am.
My understanding, a lot of injuries can happen.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you, sir. You're welcome.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Deckard walked out of court today with a second chance, but one wrong move and it all disappears. Was this mercy or a mistake? Tell me what you would have done if you were the judge. And if you want more real courtroom moments that make you think twice, hit subscribe. Your support keeps these stories coming.